Hello friends! Today I'll show you how I made a large metal wall clock in Roman style. Let's jump into the build process. For this project, I used square steel pipes, 1.5 by 1.5 centimeter size. 12 meters should be enough, with a little extra just in case. Now about the tools that I used for this project. First, a metal bending machine. I actually have 2 versions of benders on my channel. Check them out and see which one you prefer. Links are in the description. After the bending process, you need to cut off the ends of the pipes to get a perfect circle. Let's do it right now. With a little effort, you need to bring the ends together and then weld the joint. The diameter of the large ring is 70 centimeters and the diameter of the small ring is 45.5 centimeters. Now we need to cut a lot of pieces of pipe for the Roman numerals. The price of this clock is 650 greens. To buy one, you can write to me on Facebook or TikTok. You can experiment by cutting square pipes at different angles and choose the option you like more. After all the numbers are ready, you need to check all the details by collecting them on the template. The template will be available for downloading, link in the description. The most suitable type of welding for this project is TIG welding. I'll add a few tried and tested welding machines to see the recommended ones. Click on View Products. The best discs for grinding weld joints. 3M Cubitron 2 Fiber Disc. To achieve the best result, I filled the places of all the seats with body filler. After the body filler dried, I did the final sanding of the surface. Now it's time to work on the central part of the clock. I drilled 4 holes to further secure the central part of the clock. For the center part, I used 10 mm by 10 mm square rods. 1 meter long square rod will be enough for this project. I drilled a hole in each square rod, then made M6 internal threads to secure the M6 threaded rods. Fix the central part of the clock using M6 nuts. Then I welded square rods to the inner ring of the watch. Almost everything is ready. All that remains is to paint, put the clock mechanism and clock hands in place. I almost forgot, you need to make a hole in the back to hang the clock on the wall. The price of this clock is 650 greens. To buy one, you can write to me on Facebook or TikTok. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!